makiria na makiria kuruta muhwa wayo ikiuga ati uhuthagira kigetie kuhuthira kigena gia shilingi bilioni 2.3 cia kigena kiria kirogotagwo guku bururiini gwaka thibitali cia level 3 na iria iri guothe bururiini. Riboti ino yanitwo ni murugamiriri wa mihango ino ya waki wa mathibitari maya engineer thuita akiuga ati thirikari ihuthagira muigana wa shilingi milioni 50 o hari thibitari wa level 3 aritio ri kuria mwena wa ugenya kaunti-ini ya Siaya hingo ya uruguruia wa thibitari umwe wa level 3 mwena ucio.
I think that's why we're pushing it back because where we were pushing it, we were saying kule kwa chuo sababu we get ilikuwa somewhere hapa. Okay.
And we also wanted to try the same gate.
The same gate.
So the project is a national government project and it is going to cost over 50 million. And the project is just to upgrade the facility from a level 3 to a level 3B, a level 3A. A level 3A is more advanced than a level 3. So these projects we are doing it in all the counties. So we will have this project in many counties, not on the Siaya.
Ideally, this particular center is going to host with us a theater. It's going to have a pediatric ward, a postnatal ward. We're also going to have a laboratory. We're also going to have an ultrasound room. And we're also going to have, of course, several other units that will support mother and child treatment.
Tugithina mbere ni ati naguo mugururio wa kurwa na